I got an unexpected early Christmas present. If you want to see what it is, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène, aka HMM Makeup. Welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome. I am so excited to share this with you. I don't often get free stuff. And this year I've been lucky. I got a gift bag from Shoppers Drug Mart. I will put it right there. And I also won something from a channel that I really admire and respect, and that is Luvs Reviews, now called Jen Loves. I will put her picture and her channel right here. And Jen does a great job of curating the content on her channel. She does, I think, very in-depth and thoughtful reviews. She also has a Sunday morning chat with a lot of us in the beauty community from 9 to 10, at least 9 to 10 Central Standard Time, my time. And I really look forward to anything that Jen releases. I might not watch everything, I watch most of it, but I'm always curious to know what it is that she thinks of items that I've been considering, or that I have, or that I didn't even know about and she's making me aware of. And so she had a giveaway for Sigma, a Sigma palette, and I decided to enter the giveaway for this Rendezvous palette, and it's for her her membership. So she has a paid membership, and I love what Jen does. I think she's fantastic, and I want to support her, and so I have been supporting her, and that's how I became aware of the giveaway. Well, I ended up winning. I never win anything, so I was kind of shocked and overwhelmed, and it came in the mail, and I wanted to share it with you. So let's take a look at the package. So this is what I was entering the draw for. It is the Rendezvous eyeshadow palette, or Rendezvous, like I said, however you like to say it. And I need my little trusty box opener. Here's a tip. If you don't want to tear the boxes when you open them, if you have one of these little bamboo skewers, they are great. You put it in on the inside and you pop, of course now I'm having trouble today, you pop the box open and you don't tear it. I love this stuff. The bamboo skewers are always on my beauty room counter because I use them for a ton of stuff. And so opening boxes is one of those things. All right, so I open the box and there is the Rendezvous palette in a box again, but look at what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? It's extremely blingy, which makes my little 8-year-old heart pitter-patter, because apparently I never got beyond 8 years old. And then there's the palette with the same kind of, I lost the brush. And then there's a palette, as I lose my necklace, with the same kind of a finish on it. It's so pretty. And then when we open it up, there is no mirror, but that's not a big deal to me because I would not be carrying this around on its own. And there are 6 beautiful shadows in here. And I thought that I would swatch them for you. And then it also comes with a brush, which I thought was kind of nice because I've never tried Sigma brushes and I would like to, and here I have a chance. And I say that now that I have the Enchanted and the Untamed palettes from Sigma. I have 2-sided brushes in those palettes, but I would also like to try just basic Sigma brushes that you would buy on their own. So there are 6 shadows. I think I'm going to swatch 3 and 3. So let's do that right now because I don't want to wait, and I bet you're curious as well. Okay, so these are the first 3. So let's do that. And I'm not looking at the names right now. I'll give you the names if there are any on the second go. So that's the first pass. Can you tell I'm excited? I am not taking my time whatsoever. We have Tryst, Moonshine, and Soirée. Tryst, Moonshine, and Soirée. Wow, those build up beautifully. These two would make a very nice neutral but blingy look. Yeah, the fingers don't lie. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm liking those so far. And we have the next three, which are, I'll show you before I start swatching what they look like again. Okay, so we have Campfire, Bootleg, and Maverick. I like the name Maverick. It's a nice taupey color. Is it Bootleg? What is it? Oh, Campfire. Campfire. Oh, Bootleg. And Maverick. Oh, Maverick might just be my favorite right here. Look at that, kind of a cool toned look. And the fingers, and let's go in one last time. Okay, here we go. Campfire, which of course we knew would build nicely. Bootleg, and Maverick. Gosh, I really like Maverick. And here are the 6 shadows. How pretty is that for Christmas? I just did my holiday 18 palettes that give me holiday vibes. I'll put the video right there if I haven't already. And I guess I would have had 19, huh? It is so, so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to sound like an infomercial. So I showed you this beautiful little palette and the swatches. And I showed you this little brush that when I do a look on camera with Sigma for this palette, I will use the brush as well. Yeah, and I feel like an infomercial because I'm saying, but wait, there's more. That is what I thought I won. And then I looked in that bag that I showed you that I received in the mail, and there was more in the box. So I was giddy to get this palette and a brush. And then I get a blush duo, a cheek duo I should say. So let's open that one with my trusty bamboo stick. I've been hiding that from you. I'll just keep using it on camera and opening stuff with that stick. So it comes with a brush itself as well. It looks like the brush just matches the other one. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. Look at this. So soft. Beautiful. What's it called? The Soft Blend 60. Does this one have a name? And this is the E25 blending. Oops, sorry, I have it upside down. So this is the E25 blending. Okay. I'm so excited to use this one. It is so soft. I can't stop touching it. And it does have a wrap around it. Okay, so this is always satisfying. Just take the wrapper off, and there we go. Even has a patent on it. Okay. So let's open this one up, which is the Cheek Duo. Feels like I should be doing that on... We open Christmas presents on Christmas Eve. Feels like I should be doing this on Christmas Eve. If you want to see Christmas traditions, I explain it in this video. If you want to kind of get a feel for French-Canadian Christmas stuff in normal years, take a look at that video. Same packaging. I have a set. This is fantastic. I had not opened the box. I really hadn't. And is there... Oh yeah, so the protector was kind of stuck on the mirror. So I love what Sigma does with having decorative protectors, and they're decent thickness. They don't just fly off when you open something up. So there's a mirror here, which is nice. So there we go. I have the mirror to work with the 6 pan. And then there is a highlighter and a cheek product, and they look like they would be fantastic pairings with the palette. That's great. And I can definitely use this as brow bone highlight and as eyeshadow as well. Well, I can use this as eyeshadow as well. So that just extends the palette to 8 options. That's great. It's called the Rose Glow Cheek Duo, and there are over 9 grams of product or 0.32 ounces. And what does it say on this other one? Okay, so this cheek palette is just over 9 grams, and then the eyeshadow palette is 6 grams, so 1 gram of product per shadow, that's about what I expect at a minimum for eyeshadow in given eyeshadow pans. So 1 gram, I'm not upset about in the least. And so for clarity, there would be 4.08 grams in the highlighter and in the cheek blush product, respectively. I can't speak because I'm just so darned excited. And if I didn't have a full face of makeup already, I would be trying that real time with you on camera, but I did not realize how much extra goodies there were. Now, next one, apparently I have another set of brushes. Again, I thought I was getting a 6 pan eyeshadow palette and a brush, and maybe I just forgot what Jen said was in each one of the prize packs. But I'm just a little overwhelmed with what it is that I got. So it says Sigma on the side. So look at this. This is a metal canister, which is great for traveling with brushes. That is fantastic. And in here there are, I think, 3. Yes, 3 brushes that each came in their own kind of little envelope here. Okay, so yes, oh, look at that, an angle powder brush. That is terrific, and yeah, it's soft like the other one. Oh, beautiful. What is it called? It is called the F40 Large Angled Contour. Lovely. And then there's this one, which I think they're going to just call a shadow brush. What do they call it? Oh, blending. E25 blending brush. And then this flatter one, this is going to be called a packer brush. What's this? Eye shading, E55. So yeah, I would use this denser brush more for packing on the outer lid. Even I think I could use it as a smudger on the lower lash line. Yeah. I would use this probably as a packer brush. This is great. So these are the 3 in that package. And then there is this one that came with the Rendezvous palette. And then this one that came with the Cheek Duo. So I have 5 brushes from Sigma to try, plus 2 double-ended brushes that came with the Enchanted and the Untamed. Wow, this is fantastic. I am so pleased, and I'm putting eyeshadow on my shirt because I forgot I had them here because I'm just so excited. Well, that's it. I'll stop it right here. I hope that this was entertaining and informative. Well, I did some swatches too. So I thank you for sharing this little moment with me. I appreciate it, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you would like to see with these products, and with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.